Hi, so it's another apartment video. I'm just going straight into it. It's a part 2 of the previous video. Okay, so starting off, this apartment is called Marina Towers. It's also close to the bus station. And I forgot to mention in the previous video, so someone asked if they have water and electricity. You can see the wires right there. You will see the wires. So there is water, there is electricity, there is everything you might need, just like in every apartment that that are available everywhere else. And these ones are also in a good condition, the electricity, water, and everything that you might need. And this one is another one called Sea Breeze. And this apartment, before I forget, are also close to the ocean, so you get good fresh air, because this city is hot. It's just hot everywhere. But in this apartment that I've showed you, and even in the previous video, you get good fresh air because they are close to the ocean, the beach, the ocean, so you get fresh air. So this one is Sea Breeze, you can see over there, and this is how it looks like. And this one is another one. It's called Ocean View Apartments. It's also in a good condition with everything that you might need. The only thing that I do not know is the price, so I'll try to figure out the prices, how much it costs per month, and I'll just get back to you. So this is another apartment. It's called Indian Ocean. It's really good, in good condition, as you can see. Just by the look of it, you can tell it's good. Okay, so this one is called Indian Ocean. And before I forget again, all the apartments that I showed you in this video and the other video are all in this area called Masaki. But I can also show you the apartments that are in town areas, like the areas with lots of movement and stuff. If you want to see those kind of apartments, I will also show you. This one is called Tanzanite. It's huge, and there are a lot of blocks in there. Right here you can see 3. It's a really huge apartment, and it's also really close to Indian Ocean, maybe, I don't know, 10 steps away. I'll show you in a few. It's really close to the Indian Ocean, and you get everything you need. And that right there is the gate. So this is the ocean that I was talking about, and this is the apartment. So you can see it's really close, so you get all the air, the fresh air you might need. So if you need an apartment with fresh air and stuff, this is the best. Apartments in this area called Masaki will be good for you, because they're all they're close to the oceans, and you get fresh air and stuff. So this is the ocean, and behind it is the apartment. So thank you for watching. Just comment down below of anything that you want to see. If you want to see maybe hotels, if you want to see this, they're called airbnb, just anything you want to see, just comment down below and I'll do it for you. Thank you and bye.